What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to show the ultimate basics to Scratch. First of all, gotta sign in here. Oh my gosh, that was my old account. Anyways, I've already signed in. So first of all, click create. And here we'll see what you should do from there next. So the little white hairy area here is the stage. Here your project comes to life. And this little objective, this little cat in the middle is called a sprite. It's the one that does all the stuff that you code it to do. And here you stack blocks on top of each other. For example, select the when green flag, click, repeat 10 times, and move 10 steps. Let's see what that will do. So let's make that happen when you click it. So take the when this sprite clicked block. Take the cat to this part of the stage and then run the code. Should move 10 steps. Okay, so we have these side blocks right here. These are used to make your sprite or your character say what you want it to say. So for example, let's make it say hello. This will stay here forever until you press this stop sign or you press the green flag again. And if you drag up this for 2 seconds block, hey hello for 2 seconds, it only stays for 2 seconds. And this next custom block switches it to the next frame. If you don't know what a frame is, well, I don't know how to explain it really. Okay, so here we have the pen extension. You can get it from here. Although for me it's already here because I've installed the Scratch add-on to Scratch tools. I recommend you give it a try. This pen erases all the stuff, and this pen is used to set the color too. And this is used to set the pen size. So let's just set the pen size to 50. And then this is used to draw. And then repeat. No, not repeat. Just take forever. Move 10 steps. If on edge, bounce. And change pen color by 10. And let's put that all in a when green flag click block. Oh, and also let's set it face in a certain direction using the set pointing direction block. Whoa, cool, right? So satisfying to watch. Let's explain some of the blocks right here, but first, save your project. Save now. And you can share it. Make sure to give it a name if you want, that is. Yeah, now let's create another project, and then we'll be looking at some of the blocks. So the motion category has the blocks that make it move and do certain actions you want it to do. This one goes in a random position, and goes to where you want it to, and this one glides to a random position, so it glides somewhere. So we just used. I already explained these ones. Some things. Do you see the difference here? Of difference and talking. I mean of thinking and talking. This block makes it show and this block makes it hide. Handy, huh? This one plays the sound. Cool, right? And this one is used to broadcast messages and send them. This one waits 1 second, and this one repeats 10 times. This functions forever. Not until you press this button here. And then this one stops everything. This one asks you for your name. It brings up like a little text box. Let me show you. So insert. Yeah, that's my name. And to show up on this answer, you can make cool password systems like this. It's like this. I don't have time to do that right now. I'll show you in another video if I have time. And these are lists. Oops. Let me grab this problem. Something gone wrong. Yeah, this is used to add an item to the list. Watch. And this deletes all of the list. And if you add a forever loop to this, then you get 20,000 items or something like that, I think. Oh wait, it's 200,000, not 20,000. This one senses if you're touching the mouse pointer. This one senses if the key space is pressed. This one senses the loudness. I love background noisy. This one picks random between numbers or anything. Pick random username to loudness. I already know. 1882. And this one resets the timer. That's a timer right there. In here for 170 something seconds. Oops. And this one joins sentences. Apple, banana. This one sentences and letters, and this one sentences if a word contains something. And this one is used to round off. So for example, let's round off 99. Should give us 100. Wait, I know the difference. This is round, not rounding off. Yeah, just like that. This one is used to find the, I don't know. Like for example, square root of 4, it should give me 2. Correct. And you can make your own blocks here. Yeah, and also don't try doing this. Yeah, don't annoy you. Press that. But if you try percentage on, same thing. Yes, it is. Yeah, but just do this back to normal. Well, my mic's still running. Okay, good, it's still working. Anyways, I showed you this one. And the music, it's just play music. Oops. Be right back. Okay, the music is used to scratch lagging. Hello, my gosh, let's refresh this. Okay, as I was saying, the music does this. So let's play Note 60. I already showed you what the pen does. Okay, so that's the basics of Scratch. I'll see you guys in another day. So, goodbye. Peace out.